Oh wait, now I have Pikmi Pop.
And I
So
have this
let's
slime.
open it. Wait, wait. Am I gonna open mine first?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, it's a rice.
Oh, rice.
I like Rice Krispies. Not really. Oh, I thought we were making slime.
I just opened it by myself.
Good job.
Wow.
So now,
And I had to use the scissors.
It smells funky.
cause it's a blip.
Does this smell like Nina's rain boots?
Stop.
It's a reindeer.
It's a
A reindeer.
what?
A reindeer.
It's blue. It's a blue one.
Why? What'd you get?
Somebody please tell me why the poop looks like this.
They ate too many carrots.
No. Because they stitched it.
What does it smell like?
It smells well.
It smells like your favorite color.
Wait, here, smell again. It smells like peppermint.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Oh, can I smell it? I love peppermint.
I don't really like slime, but I
This
got
does
it.
not smell like peppermint.
It does.
I think it's supposed to be mint chocolate chip.
Okay. Everybody face the camera on
It
me.
does. It does
Face the
smell
camera
like
on me.
peppermint.
Okay.
It is.
What is it, a whale?
Hi.
A moose?
There.
It's a reindeer.
How do I get this thing open?
I think it's a moose. Like, can I see it? Hold it up for the camera.
It's a reindeer. Look,
No, that's a moose.
that's what it is, a reindeer.
Hey, he's rare. And it is mint chocolate chip. I knew it. His name is Manny the Moose, and he's rare.
Mommy, look.
I see it.
I think we got bouncy slime.
What's bouncy slime?
That.
Last time Nina and I did this, and it was terrible. There was slime everywhere. Right, Rosie?
What color was the slime?
I think
It was
it's that.
orange, and it went all over the car. But it came in a yellow one. It came in a yellow
Wait.
poop.
Oh, you take it out!
Wait, I know how to open it.
Just don't think this.
Never mind. Okay.
It's taking us a long time.
I think it.
Oh.
Yeah, you have to break through the foil now.
This is a surprise.
How in the world do I break through this?
Come on.
I forgot. What's the prize in it? The
You
prize
need
is
the
a slime,
scissors.
right? Or does it come with something else too? I can't remember how this goes.
It comes with a.
It doesn't come with anything, does it?
It's my favorite color.
Oh, it's blue. Laura, can I see the packaging, please?
Oh, we got.
Does it come with a
We got the
toy?
water slime.
Oh, yeah, there is a toy in there. Ew, what's water slime? I wanted the crunch slime.
Ow. Okay.
It's. Mommy,
Yeah,
it's not sticky.
Oh, I got it. Mommy, come.
I'm watching.
The video. Continue it.
It is continuing. I never turned it off.
Hmm.
Hey, 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 hey.
I know how to open it.
But let Laura do it.
You have been helping me this whole thing.
Come on.
Oh my
Nina, you gonna break your skull. Okay, just let her do it. Oh my goodness. You go ahead and fish the slime out of Laura.
Nina, you have literally.
You satisfied? Was that worth the concussion you got?
What the heck is this? What the heck is this?
A rain cloud.
Can I see it? I think it is. Oh, that's perfect for me. I love storms. Come on, gimme. No, don't throw it. Thank you.
Now you've taken out the slime?
Oh my gosh, it's a thunderstorm.
Nina's taking out the slime.
Nina, share.
You have literally opened everything. She has opened everything.
Nina, who does it belong to?
Yeah.
I haven't
Okay.
even got a chance
Exactly.
to touch
I gave it to Alara to open. So Alara can have
Give
time
me.
to open.
You give me with the little less piece of slime.
It looks like sticky bubble gum.
it. Maybe it is bubblegum.
Anyway, guys,
That's what she got.
this is what I got. This is mine.
Ooh.
I love thunderstorms. So this is appropriate.
Actually, it kind of like
You have took out everything.
Taken out, not took out. Can I feel it? Please?
Throw it to me.
Ooh. You know what this feels like?
water.
How does this feel like water? This feels like that stuff that you put on the wall to hold up posters. Let Alara give it a try.
Play-Doh.
That does not feel like Play-Doh.
Actually, do you want to get the smallest piece?
One
You like-
for you and 10 for me.
It ain't fair.
It's not.
And
Nina.
I'm making a giant walk.
You're making problems.
You're
You're
telling.
making a
Hey,
giant
hey,
walk.
hey,
Stop
tear
messing it up.
it in half.
I only got this tiny piece.
Stop messing
My, whose is it?
Mine.
Mommy's.
I told you not to say that.
I kind of have to because there's some problems here with ownership. I think it's in your hair.
Oh, it's not noise.
That's a monster.
That you. Where is it?
I don't know. When I wash your hair tonight, I'll probably find
Wait,
it.
what is this? What I mean,
Please,
okay,
Nina, please.
Nina.
Like seriously now.
Nina, you're being mean. That's all Laura got. Womp womp.
Thumbs down this video if you think it's kind for me to have this and for her to have that.
I think you're confusing the audiences.
That's great. Come on, just
Okay, thumbs up this video if you think it's not kind. So let me have this and let Nina have that. And thumbs down this video if you
Don't thumbs down the video at all. Why would you even encourage that nonsense?
because some people think that not
The
sharing
alien. Back up.
not sharing is
Talk about creepy.
you take that.
Okay.
Okay, what did I look like?
Like an alien. The government's gonna be knocking on the door any minute to come confiscate you.
Can I have some please now? Okay, I got it. I got a little bit bigger.
Please, may I have some more?
Please, may I have some more slime? Like, well then why is it even
Nina, share.
here you go.
Okay, thank you.
Although it is hers.
All right, say bye.
I got
Bye.
it! Yo!
Here.
Yeah. Oh my god! Oh. I had the perfect thing. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, I'll need to make it again. And don't forget to this video. Thumbs.
That's a scary looking thumb.
Give me that back. Bye. Ooh, slime. Mix it.